In this video, I'm going to show you how to outline in Krita. So the first thing you want to do, you want to select the layer. So I'm just going to draw something random over here, just like this. And then whenever you select your layer, which you want to outline, you want to right click on it over here on the right, and you want to click on layer style. Now from here, you want to enable this one, which is called stroke. Let me move this, there we go. You want to click on stroke and a check mark, and then you want to click on it. And then over here, you can select the size. So here you can kind of see the preview already. You can select the size of your stroke or the outline you want to have. So I'm just going to leave it like 33 over here. That's going to be fine. Then you have the position, either outside, inside, or center, and then some blend modes and the opacity. So let me actually change it. You could use a color, gradient, or pattern. I'm just going to go with a color red over here just to show you. Okay, and you see the preview in a few seconds. There we go. Now if I go and change this, it's going to change the size of the stroke just like that. If I go ahead and change the position, it's going to go to the inside. It could go into center like this, or you could do the outside as well. And if you want to outline, then usually you're going to be clicking outside over here, and then you have different blend modes which you can experiment with and see what you prefer. Whenever you've done that, you can just press on the X button, and there we go, you have yourself an outline. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.